Question number 1. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following Indian states? Correct answer is option B, Odisha. Question number 2. As per 2011 census, which union territory has the lowest sex ratio in India? Correct answer is option C, Daman and Diu. Question number 3. On May 20, 1492, Vasco da Gama arrived at which of the following places in India? Correct answer is option B, Calicut, Kozhikode. Question number 4. Which of the following is not an operating system? Correct answer is option C, Adobe Photoshop. Question number 5. What is the default file extension for MS Word 2007 and later versions? Correct answer is option C, .docx. Question number 6. The Trans-Siberian Railway has its maximum length or connectivity in which continent? Correct answer is option B, Asia. Question number 7. Which state has the highest coal reserve in India? Correct answer is option B, Jharkhand. Question number 8. In which year was Project Tiger launched in Kanha National Park? Correct answer is option B, 1974. Question number 9. What is the name of the autobiography of the legendary Indian cricketer Sachin Tendulkar? Correct answer is option B, Playing It My Way. Question number 10. Which body or ministry releases data related to the industrial structure and performance of the organized manufacturing sector in India? Correct answer is option B, National Statistical Office, MOSPI. Question number 11. Which country consistently ranks first in the World Press Freedom Index? Correct answer is option B, Norway. Question number 12. The Statue of Unity, which is a symbol of national integration, is dedicated to which Indian leader? Correct answer is option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 13. Who is the author of the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Correct answer is option C, Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 14. Which part of the Constitution was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as a novel feature of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C, Directive Principle of State Policy. Question number 15. Why was the Battle of Vandivash fought? Correct answer is option B, to establish supremacy between British and French forces in India. Question number 16. Who proposed the law of conservation of mass? Correct answer is option C, Antony Lavoisier. Question number 70. What is the process of making soap cold? Correct answer is option B, saponification. Question number 18. Which state in India has the largest reserves of lignite coal? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Question number 19. Consider the following statements regarding the President of India. Statement 1. The President appoints the Prime Minister. Statement 2. The President appoints other ministers on the advice of the Prime Minister. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Question number 20. Which article of the Indian Constitution directs the state to secure just and human condition of work and for maternity relief. Correct answer is option C, Article 42. Question number 21. During the reign of Kumar Gupta I, which administrative official was responsible for heading a district? Correct answer is option B, Vishayapati. Question number 22. What is the main function of the Alt plus Tab keyboard shortcut? Correct answer is option C, switch between open applications. Question number 23. Which of the following objects will absorb the most heat? Correct answer is option B, a dull dark object. Question number 24. Which famous university was founded by King Dharmapal? Correct answer is option B, Vikramashila University. Question number 25. Declared in March 2025, which is the newest and ninth tiger reserve of Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option B, Madhav Tiger Reserve. Question number 26. Which country officially became the ninth member of NDB recently on May 19, 2025? Correct answer is option B, Algeria. Question number 27. Which type of unemployment can arise due to a shortage of workers with the right skills for available jobs when is an excessive increase in demand in the economy? Correct answer is option C, structural unemployment. Question number 28. Under Article 226 of the Indian Constitution, against whom are the High Courts empowered to issue writs? Correct answer is option C, against any person, authority, or government. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.